So today we'll be talking on the topic combination. Combination is the arrangement of objects for which order is not considered. Combination just means select. It simply means select, to pick, to choose. And it was denoted by n combination r. And it have a formula which is n factorial over open bracket n minus r close bracket factorial then r factorial. This n combination r formula can also be written as what? N permutation r over r factorial, which when written will give us, we know that n permutation r formula is n factorial divided by n minus r factorial all over r factorial. Now doing it the division and multiplication, where to turn to multiplication to be n factorial divided by n minus r everything factorial then r factorial. You know that when this thing come here to be divided by r, then it will interchange to give us 1 times 1 over r, which will give us this. So let's take this example. Solution: A 7 combination 3 and B 9 combination 2. This will be what now? A 7 combination 3, and as usual this will be our n and this will be our r. The 7 is our n and the 3 is our r. So using this n factorial all over n minus r factorial r factorial. Now since our n is 7, n 7 factorial 7 minus our r is 3 close bracket factorial then 3 factorial, because it's our r 3 factorial. Now solving this, this will give us 7 factorial divided by 4, which is 7 minus 3 factorial 3 factorial. Now we solve this. 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, then divided by 4 factorial, which will give us 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 times 3 factorial, which was times 3 times 2 times 1. We have this in common, so we just cancel out, leaving us with this. Then solving further, we have 840 divided by 24. Therefore 840 divided by 24 will give us 35. Now for the B 9 combination 2, that will be 9 factorial divided by 9 minus 2 close bracket factorial now 2 factorial. Then expanding this, 9 factorial divided by 9 minus 2, which is 7 factorial 2 factorial. I told you before that this 9 times 8 times 7 factorial divided by 7 factorial times 2 times 1. The reason we stop at 7 factorial is because in the denominator we have 7 factorial. So this 7 factorial just means 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 up to get to 1, and this also means the same thing, so we just cancel out. Now this one give us 9 times 8 divided by 2. And solving that, I'm going to get 72 divided by 2, which will give us 36. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, click the bell button, like, comment.